Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to auto scroll on Instagram Reels. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and go to the Instagram Reels section right here and tap on the three dots, and you should be able to see auto scroll right here if your phone is relatively new. All right. So for example, you don't have the auto scroll feature right here. Okay. And your phone is new, or it's bought from within maybe 5 years. Okay, all you have to do is just go ahead over to your Play Store right here, or App Store, then just go ahead and find Instagram. Okay, now if there's an update button, just go ahead and tap on it and wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, hit on open and go to the same process, and you should be able to see auto scroll. Now, if that still won't work, close to the Play Store and Instagram app, locate the app icon, tap and hold, and go to the information icon. Okay, just tap on it and wait for it to load. And by the way, if you're using iOS, just go ahead over to the settings app, go ahead and locate general. And then once done, go to apps, locate Instagram, tap on it and tap on upload apps. Okay. And here on Android, just tap on storage, tap on clear cache first and clear data. Okay. Once done, go ahead and open up the Instagram app and you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, don't worry, this feature is still rolling out and it's relatively new, okay? Just wait for your phone's turn, and when the time comes, you'll be given a update, and then just tap on it. And once done, your Instagram auto scroll will be available, okay? If it still doesn't show up, just like mine in here, I bought this phone like 2017 and it's 2025 now, all right? So I don't have the feature. Maybe in the future, if they roll it out to older phones, all right? But that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.